Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a review on Salon Selective's Instant Repair Leave-In Hair Conditioner. So this conditioner says that it hydrates and shines. It is a Brazilian keratin oil one, so I highly recommend it to someone who has like super curly hair or really thick frizzy hair. Keratin is just always really nice for that. And this has both Brazilian and keratin oil, which is really nice. It's not often that I see products with both of those things, so that's really cool. Go ahead and take a look at the back. Is that going to get clear at all? It's not super clear getting up close, but I'll just read it. It says, hydrate and add shine with Salon Selective's leave-in conditioner. This unique, lightweight, sulfate-free formulation containing Brazilian keratin oil helps repair and soften hair. Then the directions say to apply a quarter-size amount to damp or dry hair and distribute evenly and gently. Do not rinse, style as desired. So I use this usually after I wash my hair. I don't put it on right after I wash my hair. I put it on after I've let my hair dry a little bit, so it's just slightly damp. So I don't put it on dry hair, and I don't put it on super soaking wet hair. I put it on damp hair, and I do notice the difference when I use this versus when I don't use it. I really feel like I have less shrinkage when I use it. For all of my curly hair people out there, I know you know what that means, but so when you have curly hair, right after the shower, your hair could be extremely long, and then once it dries, it's 10 inches shorter. Maybe not 10 inches, that might be exaggerating a bit, but it's significantly shorter once it dries because the curls shrink up. And that's always been one of my biggest complaints about my hair. It's been a love-hate relationship my whole life with my hair, but one of the things that I didn't like the most about it was that it would shrink up so much because I really always wanted long hair. But when I put this in, it doesn't shrink up quite as much, which is really nice. I've never used this when I'm planning on straightening my hair. I only use it when I'm gonna leave my hair curly. So I can't speak to what my hair looks like when I straighten it, if it's any less frizzy or if it looks thinner, or how the humidity affects my hair when I use this. But I can speak to when I leave it natural and curly, and my hair, like I said, the shrinkage is a lot less. I think it does keep it less frizzy. I think there's not as much frizz. It's never the only product that I have though, so in my hair, maybe one day if I'm just going to the grocery store or something, I'll try to use just this and see what my hair looks like after a couple of hours or at the end of the day. But I do notice that my hair is a little bit less frizzy when I use it, which is really nice. It's a 4-ounce tube or bottle, so it's not super big, so it'll be pretty easy to travel with or anything like that. If you're going through the airport though, you wouldn't be able to get it through TSA. It's a little bit over the limit, but it's pretty small size. It's pretty easy to travel with. You just throw it in your bag. This product is made in Canada. It has warnings. It just says to avoid contact with eyes, and then rinse immediately if it does get in your eyes. So just like any other really product out there in the world that has that same warning. Made in Canada. It is cruelty-free, which is always nice to know. Not tested on animals, and they also have a website where you can get more products. You can also get it Amazon or any place like that, salonselectives.com. So go ahead and open this, take a look for you. It does have a twist cap. I usually open the twist cap when I first use products like this, just to take the little foil off. This didn't have any kind of little foil or anything like that over the opening here, so I really didn't need to open the twist cap. I just always like to check because I always like when products have that, because then I know I'm getting as much product as possible and no one has tried to use it. So I'll put a little bit out so you can see. It's white. It has a consistency of basically any like conditioner. It's like maybe more like a lotion-y. It's somewhere between like a lotion and like a gel. It has a really nice smell to it. It's a little bit coconutty, I guess. A little kind of like a coconutty smell. It's really, really nice, clean, fresh smell. So it's really nice to put this in my hair after my shower, because then the rest of the day I get whiffs of it throughout the day if I like leave my hair down. And it's just a really nice smell, and I know that like when I'm walking past someone, they are going to like get a huge whiff of this. Whenever my hair is curly, they're going to get a whiff of whatever my hair smells like. So it's nice to know that I have a really great smelling product in my hair. But yeah, overall, I would recommend this. It's not something that I use like regularly, but I do use it every once in a while, and I do notice a difference, a nice difference when I do use it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.